A safe way to hammer a nail. Attach double-sided tape to the hammer head. Position the nail, then hammer slowly. The tape helps hold the nail in place, keeping your fingers safe. An easy way to clean a bike chain. Drill holes in a toothbrush from top to bottom, insert the bolt and cut the handle. Attach the toothbrush to a plastic bottle and secure it with a bolt at the back. Done! Your bike chain cleaner is ready to use. How to lubricate a gate. Lift the gate from the bottom until the hinge is visible. Once exposed, apply lubricant inside the hinge. Lower the gate and open it slowly. An easier way to drill bamboo. Clamp the bamboo with an adjustable wrench and tighten it. Then drill through the wrench opening. This holds the bamboo steady, making drilling easier and more controlled. Pipe threads worn out? First, clean the threads using a wire brush. Then scratch the threads with a hacksaw to make them rough again. Wrap fiber string around it, apply glue, and reinstall the pipe connector. The connection becomes tight and secure. How to remove a bolt using a bottle cap. Hit the bolt with a lighter, then place a bottle cap on top so it forms to the bolt's shape. Spray a little water and twist the bolt using the cap. The bolt comes off without direct contact.
Want to grow onions but have limited space? Use a plastic jerry can. Cut the top, make holes on the sides and small holes at the bottom. Fill with soil and place onions in each hole. Simple and space-saving. Plastic bags all over the place? Make a simple holder from a plastic bottle. Cut the top and bottom, drill holes on both sides, and attach a rope. Your plastic bag holder is ready to hang and use. Trying to connect two pipes of the same size but they won't fit? Try this trick. Insert a bolt into one pipe as support, then heat the pipe end with a hairdryer. After that, wrap a cable around the outside and slowly pull the bolt. The pipe shrinks slightly and the pipes fit together. No threads on your bolt? Try this trick. Wrap copper wire around the bolt, trim the excess, and heat it briefly. Insert it into the hole, press with pliers, then turn with a screwdriver. Threads are formed and ready to use.